muscle wine before you break your spine. Stop doing the muscle wine before you break your spine. Think it all over. People, this muscle wine dance needs to get banned. So apparently people one dance like about the place must about last month, last year, I don't remember, but somebody named Ganguli and create some piece of crap song named Muscle Wine. If you haven't heard this song, you can go take a listen right now. You know? Listen to the song.
Girl, muscle wine. Sit up yourself because I know I say your muscle time.
I've never really had a fault with any girl dance. You know, there's the one drop that is nice because the girls are assuming their rightful position, bending over, because that's how girls dance these days. The first time I saw this dance, I was at a party and I saw this beautiful girl. I mean, she was just amazing. She was just captivating. She was like the closest thing I've seen to Yendi in a long while. She's there looking all nice, and then this song comes on. It's like, after that moment, I think I'm just going to be scarred for life. That girl, she was looking so beautiful, and all of a sudden my girl moved from, you know, she evolved. It's like she just moved from Pikachu and ended up turning a Bulbasaur. Why would you want to do a dance that makes you look as if you're a constipated sumo wrestler? You have some muscular, you know, some muscular women, so like some Carmelita Jetta, you know, trying to attempt the muscle wine. Like, why would you do that? You already have muscle, just wine normally. It is going to look like the dance either way. And then it's not even that too, you know, Jamaican girls, them have their own set of facial expressions to accompany any dance. But then this muscle wine dance, it just take the facial expressions to a different levels. I mean, girls be looking like... Like, ladies, look into my eyes right now. Feel me talking to you. There are so many other dances out there. There is the Koch, the bend over and touch toe, dance like you are F-Pro, the jump. There is the sit down, there is the tantoddy, there's the one drop. There are so many more options out there. Don't do a dance that is going to make you look like a dog or a young baby trying to take a crap in their pampas. So just follow my advice and return. Sorry. So just follow my advice and return to the other dances. If you want to jump off speaker box, you do it, because that's your right. But just leave the alone. It isn't flattering to you at all. You know, and I hope that you really take heed. Thanks for watching. Thanks so much for watching another Dirty Berry show. Make sure that you like, you comment, and you share, and all of them something there. Oh, you make sure you read my blog, Top 30 Jamaicans Who Age Well. It's going to be pasted down there, so make sure that you check it out. Oh, Dirty Berry show.